Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.6% today. Of course, the big news was the Federal Reserve meeting ended. Chairman Powell came out and spoke. They announced a half a point rate increase. They put out their statement of economic projection, which really was, not unexpected, but they're talking about a new terminal rate, the highest rate they might get to at 5.1%. We're currently at about 4.5, 4.25%. So maybe another couple of rate increases. The overall market bet right now is at 4.8%. So they're saying 5.1. And the market's been more accurate. And actually, what we've seen here, we've seen the 2-year Treasury yield coming down. We've seen the projection for the top terminal rate coming down. And even today, they didn't move that much. So I think the market has been more accurate is what I'd really focus on. Inflation is definitely coming down. The new projection from the Cleveland Fed that I just saw last night was at 6.8% for this CPI. We've come down from 7.7 to 7.1, now maybe 6.8 or lower for the next, for what will be December's report. Still early on that, but we'll see how that goes. So I think inflation is kind of the headwind that is now not so powerful in front of us. Really, the main issue will be recession and how that affects earnings. We'll spend some more time talking about that, in coming weeks. But one thing to keep in mind here is that we do normally have a pretty good end of the year rally. I think we're kind of set up for that. We've got some expectations for, what might happen here with inflation and earnings, are still not being reported yet. Maybe there's some concern about that, obviously, but I wouldn't be surprised to see us have at least a sideways motion, if not a good upward motion here to finish off the year. We're still on trend. There's a nice trend line that we're following that came from the bottom of, this latest move, which was middle of October. So things are still good. Pretty excited about what happened here this week so far, especially with that inflation report. I think that will help. And we'll just kind of see how this plays out in terms of earnings next year. So look forward to talking tomorrow, and we'll see what's happening then. Thank you very much.